Da-na-na-na-na-na.
You say it's your birthday!
Hello everyone, it's Kip, your host for Kicker Unmasked Live Weekly, every Tuesday night, 7:30 Central Time, right here on the Kicker Facebook and YouTube channels. This past Tuesday, we had a fantastic show with our own Dr. 12-Volt John Myers. We talked about the marine cans, talked about efficiency, and how you can get the most sound out of the best product. It's a good show. Go check it out. It's in our feed. Next Tuesday, believe it or not, we're hitting 52 weeks. It's a year. It's our birthday. Our own Robert Hi-Fi Vega, Dereck Williston, and Andy McGill are going to join us to talk about the highs and the lows and the fun parts they enjoyed about the last year with Kicker Unmasked Live. That's every Tuesday night, 7:30 Central Time, right here on the Kicker Facebook and YouTube channels. And oh, by the way, it's my birthday too!